northeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sun Prairie, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Deerfield, Deansville, and East Bristol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another alert. Oh, double header. Double header.
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 655, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dane, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson,
That's my
Kenosha,
county.
Lafayette, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point.
That was
Nearshore
unexpected.
waters from Wind Point to Windsor Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Light, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake.
That's our county.
Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Windsor Harbor to Illinois Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Windsor Harbor to Illinois Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, and McHenry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.